Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog, and yes, we're outside. So today I'm gonna learn how to skate. Yes, you know what, I drop on something, baby. I teach my baby there. Baby's a professional, guys. So it's my first time on camera, and I catch on already, so you know you're gonna show me how me now look. So by the way, you see me here? You wouldn't pick out it nor nothing, but you go on. Alright guys, let's go. Alright, so Jesus Christ. Alright.
All the time you be taller. Listen, all the time you be taller. You look like a wiggle for real. Listen,
Alright, ready.
Your base. You see how I'm pushing down and you're not falling? Did you see? Alright. So that's your base. So just remember that you are doing it. Not this. Not this. Pushing forward.
Why you put that just see I feel warm, like you can't lock.
You're locking it. Oh, I can lock it. See what I'm doing? Alright. I'm not going to pull you. Go. Prevent you. You're walking. So now I'm glide. Glide. I'm right here. You're walking. Come on, walk, go on. Here, this is not you. Alright, I'm going to turn it around. Turn it up. Okay. Let's see that the view from the move. Alright, wear your shoes, alright?
The one who knows it feels like that.
Let me do your base. Alright, yeah. There you go.
Let me have them too.
Balance. There you go.
Whoa.
Stop freaking out.
I'm not freaking out.
It's gonna crash. It's just gonna crash.
There you go. Hand around.
I'm gonna turn.
Just like you walk. Good job. You're already there.
Thank you. Come on, know where we're going so far.
Just like you do.
Alright.
Side to side.
Let's try it.
Open your legs and walk.
No break, no break.
There is break. Break is right here. Look. But it don't do you no good.
Wait a minute.
Got no speed. It's right here. The break. No mind. No mind. Just like him.
I always had to break when I was going forward.
Pick up the leg.
May I pick it up? You see that my foot change?
You are
You don't lock.
You just wait for that first ball. It's gotta happen. Come, give me the wall.
Give it to the wall.
Turn around.
Oh, my God, backward.
Hey,
Mhm.
alright. Wait a minute. We're ready. We kind of feel, you know? Whoa. Alright. Yeah?
I think I need to stop. I think.
No.
Alright, it's fine.
No. Go skate. Let me see. Get away from all these sharp arbors here. Arbors. You need to walk. If you think about holding on stuff, you're not always holding it. Alright.
Hey, how do you do this?
Practice.
You gotta get ready to run, you gotta thrust.
Yes. So I'm a good girl.
Open and thrust, but thrust slowly. There you go. Lift those legs up. Throw. Throw. How I know you're thrusting? Because every time you put your leg down, you move. A great distance. So if you go like this, you don't thrust. You're doing this, you didn't go nowhere.
Crystal, don't talk about her. That's what it works. Boy. I mean, I go too fast. You don't know that I'm not go fast. I'm not there yet. Did I go fast?
Okay, great. Put the heels. The front torso. Turn around. Alright. Right here. Do the same thing. Holding you does not look at. Holding you does not help. Go around, that's on you. Huh? Huh? Still moving. Yeah, mix it right on the car. Come on.
I'm going to try to get a drink of water, Mommy.
Alright, I think that's it.
No.
Guys, apparently everybody else is at pro. And me and the one day I struggle. And I drop it, but I feel it coming. Feel it.
Ready?
get my lesson, thanks to baby. And I'm gonna show you so me and just so far, you know, the first round, you know, see? Just take that out on the brain. I never really know that. I feel already, but I feel like a little bit better. Alright, so I make a lot. Drop off some, I'm gonna drop it. I'm happy about it. I want to drop my down. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as me. Guys, remember I said I'm not falling? So I went to cut off the phone. One big drop and spread out. Yeah. Ignorant.
How was your experience going your first mile on your roller skate?
Nervous, baby. I'm nervous right through, but I'm happy me do it. I feel like me get better than the first few minutes of it. The first few minutes of it, just like, oh, my body things. But I feel like the more I do it, the better I get.
I'm sure you will. I just think you can't be afraid to fall. It's
No, I'm
part
afraid.
of it. It's part of it. And you only fell, what, once? Once since she started, guys. I think that's really good, but I think she needs to fall a lot more so she can skate a lot better. Because once you fall, you just like, nah, and you get right back up and continue to skate. That's just part of skating.
So I can't skate without falling.
Once you practice enough, yeah.
That's what we're doing.
I know, but if you fall, you just like, I had the whole time. Jesus Christ. Choo! All the other stage she was doing, I was just like, she not with me. But I just think that you did a great job today.
You're a great teacher.
Great job today. And I didn't let you hold on to me. That's the first thing. That's the tip right there. Teaching somebody how to skate, they can't hold it. They're just on their own.
Yeah. It's a good tip.
I think so.
Yeah, I kind of learned afterward some little things where work, but then tips they me have to remember them.
I remember them
Like they
actually
make
do
your waist with the base and push and glide, not step and stuff. So meanwhile, my head I think about one thing, my foot them, then my waist I do something else, and I just everything all over the place. So I'm like, alright, we need some more work right there. But whenever I get it like a pro, guys, you know, I go show them the video there and give them a few tips to work with you. Yeah. Yeah.
We're skating tomorrow.
Huh?
Ah.
So we're gonna get in a mile.
A mile.
We're gonna get in a mile.
It's fun. It's something to do with the family. Quality time.
Yes, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Bye, guys. Exercise.
Exercise.